that area. But I know Jeff Lutz is from PA too. So he's a PA guy too.
Yeah, we all do.
Factory interior and stuff.
Factory interior. Look at this.
It's a pretty unique car, you know. Not everybody knows what it is, but the people that know what it is, everybody gets real excited about kind of thing. So it's real cool. And then it's weird because everybody's relatable to this. Everybody rather knew somebody that had an Eagle, or everybody knew somebody that had a Jeep motor, and so it's it gets a lot of good attention, you know.
Yeah, it's a real cool car, most definitely. You know, we like showing different cars.
And it used to be a factory four-wheel drive car, and when we originally built the turbo setup on it, we built it around the front diff and the front drive shaft and everything, and he just kept breaking stuff. So now it's two-wheel drive, but it runs 960s, 970s. Wow. That's impressive. It will pull the front wheels on a good track, so.
Well, we might see something today or tomorrow.
Hopefully, yeah. We were excited, and then it rained, and then. But we got his dad's the one with the Gremlin here.
Okay,
so,
yeah, that's a cool car too. We just got finished checking it out.
And then I did a lot of the turbo fab work on that car.
Okay, so you got your business, anything you want to shout out? There it is.
GN Fabrication.
GN Fabrication, y'all give them a call.
Philadelphia area.
Philly came a long way.
So yeah, I mostly do commercial stuff, but I love the automotive fab stuff. So I'll weld almost anything, but
most definitely will.
This gives me a big creative outlet. It's not cookie cutter. It's really creative. So
most definitely,
it's pretty cool.
Well, it's good to meet you.
Yeah, Jay, appreciate it.
Cool ride, man. We're gonna check you out there.